Ready to ditch the crypto confusion and grab some Solana the fast way? First, make sure you have the Coinbase app downloaded. If you don't, head to the App Store, search for Coinbase, and hit install. Once it's downloaded, open the app and either log in or create a new account if you're a newbie. Tap the blue Buy button prominently displayed at the bottom center of your screen. In the search bar, type Solana and select it from the search results. Now, enter the amount of Solana you want to buy. This can be in your local currency, like dollars or euros. Type the amount you want to spend. Underneath the amount, you'll see the payment methods. Make sure Apple Pay is selected. If it's not already, tap on Add Payment Method and follow the prompts to link your Apple Pay account to Coinbase. Review all the details on the confirmation screen, like the amount of Solana you're getting, the price, and the payment method. Confirm the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple Pay passcode when prompted. Boom! Your Solana purchase is now complete. You can view your Solana balance in your Coinbase wallet. Enjoy the ride.